What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today we're working on the 2013 Ford Focus. And what I'm going to be showing you today is either how to remove your front headlight or just replacing your headlight bulb. Pretty much for both procedures, you got to remove the headlight. Very simple. Should take you less than 5-10 minutes. So let me show you how to do this. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we are, 2013 Ford Focus. This is the headlight that we're going to be removing. As you can see, I already replaced it with a used one. The problem I have with this one is it got full of water. And with the time, the connector in the back got all corroded. And then when I tried to replace just the bulb, when I took out the connector, like some of the pins just broke off. So I had to go ahead and replace the whole thing. It was very simple to replace, but I just didn't have any room to make a video back in the days. So I'm going right now. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off, show you how to take it off. You need to replace the bulb, how to do that, and then put everything back on. The only thing that we need right now is we're gonna remove this bolt here and this bolt here. We can use a flathead screwdriver, or I believe it's a T35 on these ones. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those. All right, so for now, I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver. We're just gonna take off those two screws. Back them all the way out. That's the first one. And this one. And here's the only tricky part. When you take this one off, like this one, you can see it's kind of sideways, and I believe that's how they are because it uses this as a hook to hold it up. And then on this one, we're gonna press down and kind of pull it all the way out. And here, let me show you. So I'm gonna grab it from right here. This one, I kind of pulled it away from that. Now the whole thing is loose. Now we're gonna like grab the whole light assembly and kind of do this. So we're gonna try to pull it from the bottom outwards and then towards me. There it goes. And that's all. Comes out. This is the connector that I had to replace here. So to undo this connector, it has this little tab here. So all we're gonna do is gonna press this tab here, back, and then pull it back. It works easier if you put like a screwdriver right here and you pull back on it. You see that tab moving back like that, and then just pull back on it. This one already broke it, but it's fine. So then the whole assembly comes out. So here you have, I believe this is going to be your high beam and your low beam, whichever one is out. All you're going to do is remove this plastic cover here, and it's just a rubber cover. There's not much to it. And then inside here, that's going to be your high beam, and then on the one closer to the fender is going to be your low beam right here. So all you do is just twist it counterclockwise. You can undo this first if you want. Like, let's say we're just going to remove the bulb, right? So you undo the connector out of the way, and then the actual bulb, we're gonna twist it counterclockwise. There it goes, and then you pull the thing out. That's it. You replace the new one, you put it in there, turn it clockwise, connect it, put everything back on. First thing I'm gonna do is, of course, connect the light back on. Make sure that the connector goes all the way in. This pin already broke, so I just gotta make sure that it goes all the way in. It should be fine. It has a rubber gasket, so it'll help it seal. But we're gonna put this in. We're gonna align it kind of where it goes. Right now that it's kind of in the place where it's gonna go, we gotta make sure there is this. It has this little hole here, and then here we have this tab here on the light. So this little tab here, it's gonna go inside here. So we just gotta make sure that when we're aligning it, that it kind of goes into that little tab, and then that should be everything. You can tell it's already everything lined up. So now all I'm gonna do is put these screws back on, and we're all set. Alright guys, and that is it. That is how you replace either the light bulb or the front headlight on a 2013 Ford Focus. I'll do some research, see what years is the same procedure, and I'll put it right there in the description and on the title. But that's how you replace either your headlight bulb or your actual headlight assembly. Alright guys, well I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.